Let's talk about our solar system: the Earth, Jupiter, the Moon, and the Sun. Let's start with water. You may have heard that the Earth's surface is 71% water, or that 96% of that water is stored in our oceans. This is true. However, that is 71% of the surface area, which is a two-dimensional concept. However, compared to the total volume of Earth, or 3 dimensions, the waters in our oceans only make up 0.00000000001%. That's like comparing a raindrop to a basketball. This presents our topic: how do we distort the sizes of the solar system in our minds when we misconceptualize them by thinking in the incorrect dimension? The Earth has a diameter of 13,000 kilometers, a surface area of 510 million kilometers, and a volume of 1 trillion cubic kilometers. These measurements show the size of our Earth in 3 different dimensions. Let's compare these measurements to Jupiter. For 1 dimension, Jupiter's diameter is 139,000. That means about 11 Earths can span across the diameter of Jupiter. In 2 dimensions, Jupiter's surface area is 61 billion. That means it would take 120 of Earth's surface area to cover Jupiter. Now for 3 dimensions, Jupiter's volume is 1.4 quadrillion kilometers squared. That means 1,400 Earths can fit inside of Jupiter. That's a lot of Earths. Now for the Moon, something closer to home. Hopefully you've gotten the idea of dimensions now, so let's go a bit faster. 1 dimension. The Moon's diameter is around 3,000 kilometers. This means about 4 moons would span the diameter of the Earth. 2 dimensions. It would take 13 moon surface areas to cover the Earth. And in the 3rd dimension, it would take 45 moons to fit the Earth. Now for something bigger. The Sun's diameter is around 109 Earths. It would take 12,000 of Earth's surface areas to cover the Sun, and 1.3 million to fill it. So is the Sun 109 12,000 or 1.3 million times the size of the Earth? Well, it's all of them, depending on which dimension you are talking about. However, chances are you're talking about the 3rd dimension. So next time you talk about these things in comparison to each other, keep in mind the dimensions.